Have you ever done a life changing development project only to realize that you have no idea if it actually made a difference? Or have you ever funded a program or spent months on the field and still can't tell whether you reached the right people or created lasting impact? Here is the hard truth: if you are not monitoring or evaluating your work, you are flying blind. When done right, monitoring and evaluation can transform how decisions are made, especially in Africa. Stick with me to the end because I will not only explain how M&E works and why it matters in Africa, but I will also talk about how Fieldwork Africa is setting a new standard in data-driven impact. Hey there, and welcome back to Fieldwork Africa's channel, where we talk about everything related to market research, social research in Africa, and the trends in between. My name is Miriam, and in this video, I will be breaking down what monitoring and evaluation really is, why it is crucial in the African context, and how Fieldwork Africa is making M&E research smarter, faster, and more impactful. First off, what is monitoring and evaluation? Monitoring and evaluation, also known as M&E, is more than just tracking numbers. It is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and using information to assess how well a project or program is performing. Now, let's take it word for word. We have monitoring, which is the tracking of ongoing activities. This is where you ask yourself questions like: are we doing what we said we would? Are we reaching the right people? Are resources being used efficiently? The other part, which is evaluation, helps to dig deeper. In this case, you ask questions like: did we achieve our objectives? Did we create meaningful change? And what lessons can be learned for future efforts? Simply put, M&E helps organizations go from "we did something" to "here is what worked, this is what didn't work, and why." Now, why is M&E important in Africa? Africa is home to some of the most innovative, high impact development programs in the world. It is also the continent where resources are limited and accountability is essential. That is why M&E is non negotiable, because it ensures that dollar aid and donor funding actually translate into impact. It helps governments, NGOs to improve service delivery from education to healthcare. It amplifies the voices of real people on the ground. So programs are built around essential needs or actual needs and not assumptions. But here is the catch: as effective M&E in Africa is not easy. You need local knowledge, trust, and tools to adapt to complex environments. And this is where Fieldwork Africa comes in. We specialize in conducting rigorous M&E research across diverse African regions. From urban centers to rural villages, we are there. And these are four reasons that set us apart. One, we have hyperlocal reach. We don't outsource, instead, we work with trained local data collectors that understand the culture, the language, and the nuances. Number two, we are flexible with our methodologies. Whether it is face to face surveys, mobile data collection, or remote tracking, we tailor the right method that will fit the community. Number three is that we provide real time data dashboards. Our clients don't wait for months for insights. We deliver live updates that help you course correct fast. Lastly, our approach is ethics first. The consent, privacy, and dignity of our respondents are built into every step of our process. From communication impact studies in West Africa to health interventions in East Africa, we've helped partners turn data into decisions that change lives. If you're serious about tracking outcomes, measuring impact, and maximizing results in Africa, Fieldwork Africa is your ideal M&E partner. We combine deep local expertise with world-class research standards. Because when you know better, you do better. So, whether you are a government agency, an international NGO, or a donor driven foundation, let's make your next project not just successful, but truly impactful. To learn more about us and our services, please visit www.fieldworkafrica.com. If you are interested with working with us, simply send a mail to mail@fieldworkafrica.com. If you enjoyed watching this video, then you're definitely going to like this video showing on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.